Experiment 5. A counter that counts from 0 to 99. This experiment uses the block diagram from the previous experiment, experiment 4. From the odds of experiment 4, we create a symbol for experiment 5. In this experiment, the changes is only, we uses only 7 segments, and the features are still the same. There is a pause, carry out, set, and the counter. Set. Reset. Set to 44 and still counts, and the pause, another set, and if it is paused, the buttons are not accessible anymore.